All right, evening. I think it's November 26th, Sunday. A little bit of gloomy out and stuff done. Let's see here. There you go. Knock some more stuff down. There you go. There you go. Leaves are pretty much all falling off the trees. The fir trees are still living, of course, they're softwood. But anyway, what we're working on here is a Roadmaster 4 airbags for axle. RS8, there's a couple. There's an R10, which means you had a tag axle. And there is a 2 airbag, which is RS4. All right, so we're changing out the tank. The overflow tank, a pressurized coolant recovery tank, known for cracking right there. Okay. So, going to modify too, because the way this one was in there, the old one, like that, was all the way. Let's try to get it. Remember, I'm a one-man show here, guys, ladies, folks. It was like that, all the way up against there. Like, man, I had a heck of a time getting coolant there. I wonder why I was low on coolant. So some of the tools you'll need. All right, so some of the tools you got to use are a 5/16. All right. You got to use a 1/2 inch. You got to use a 9/16, right? Plus a 9/16 socket, 6-point, and that gets these mounts off right here. These bolts right here, okay, and then 2 down here. This one only had 1. If you can see the bracket. Remember, what I did to help me is I cut the plastic off of the bottom of this. Right there, you see it? I cut that off. There you go. Make it easier, because I had to, somebody put the clamp on backwards. All right, I don't know how they got it back here, but they probably cussed a little bit. The other one is I modified it. I took a 2 1/4 inch hole saw, drilled it right here, bringing the set point forward. All right, and I'm going to drop it. I'm putting a thick piece of rubber here. Okay, I'll show you. I'll put this up in there, and I'll let you know. Let me put you on pause. All right, so I got some brass plugs to fill these up in this. This is for your air bleeds that come off your radiator and your engine thermostat housing. Now remember, this is a lot easier. You have to worry about looking at it from this point of view, right here, this. So this is where the gate or the rear goes, right here, this. So, one, I got it set back enough. I'm going to bring it forward a little bit more like that. Then I'm going to put a wood up here, drop it down, cut it out so you can look back here, see if these are leaking. And that way, it'll be easier to fill. All right, remember, I'm going to put a rubber here. I'm going to put 2 mounts here, and I got a block mount I'm putting back there. All right, so where'd I get that tank at? It was actually purchased by this owner. This is a 2003 Beaver Monterey, 3 slides, 2 opposing up front, 1. I got a lot of work to do to it, but here you go. RV Elite at RVEliteparts.com. Part number 01806583 Sierra Tango, $379. Needs 6 through 8 brass plugs. All right. So that's pretty much it right there. I'm gonna put you on pause, show you the part numbers. I'm sorry, I said 3/8 previous video. They're 1/4 inch brass Pro Line BF 737 NLB. All right, square drive right here. So I got to put 2 here and then 1 on this side, and I'll be making a second. Let you see the completion. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. You know, the Facebook page, 33,000 members, the garage and school here at Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Get a hold of me at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com for the email. Thank you. And don't forget my YouTube channel. Give me a like, subscribe, and hit the bell on the side so you can get all new videos. I believe we're at 670 videos. Thank you very much.